Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Now it's time to take a look again on the Bitcoin market, and today we are going from the lower time frames to the higher time frames, because our last talk we finished around situation on the hourly chart, and we said that potentially market still has chance to show some bullish patterns and has chance to show a bit higher retracement, but we have to pay close attention to the area around 3260. Because this is vital area for the bulls, and if somehow market will break it down, this bullish context will be over. And in particular from that chart we're starting today, and take a look. Upward action, once we have mentioned this possible possibility for the upward action, it started pretty nice. So you can see this first bounce was relatively good. Market standing above the neckline. Previously it was a hand short, as you can see. And that was the reason why we said that probably market has chances to form, for example, some kind of a butterfly or something at that sort. And indeed, at the first stage, when retracement starts, you see market was made an attempt to go higher. But in recent two sessions, today and yesterday, you can see its resistance line was not able to be broken. The market just tested it for a few times, it's collapsed, and now it dropped below the major area. So currently, bullish context destroyed, so market shows inability to continue upward action here, and it means that we should be prepared for a downward continuation. In general, guys, for the truth's sake, if you'll take a look at the other markets, in gold in particular, Forex market, so everywhere we see bearish context, at least on the daily chart. And it suggests that some strength in the dollar should come in the nearest few sessions, maybe weeks. That could lead market for a deeper downside action. And Bitcoin not an exception from this overall tendency. At least currently, we are not considering taking any new long positions on the market. So with the progress of this topic, so if we'll take a look at the high time frames, first on the fall time frame chart, that probably will be most interesting in the nearest time. Take a look what we have in a dry residual. So first of all, that was our initial pattern that we traded short with this downward action, this ABCD pattern. And actually, based on the same pattern, we have suggested the existence of this target that we were considering previously. But as market shows inability to continue upward action, turning down, it means that we could get downward continuation instead and get this, for instance, ABCD pattern around 24 target. Potentially, this also might be some kind of the butterfly pattern might be formed. Probably could get approximately the same destination point. So take a look, 1618 extension stands precisely at the same 24 area. That's potentially the situation development that we could get. Additionally, on the daily chart, we are creeping high on the time frames. Our flag pattern was broken to the downside. Market was not able to stay inside of it. Although these lows are still valid, but inability of the market to proceed higher right back to the previous, to the opposite direction. I mean, opposite resistance here is opposite border of the consolidation. And it's turning in a halfway, dropping down. It also looks bearish. Potentially, market is flirting with the MACD. Maybe we will get the grabber, but it's not the fact yet. So market today could close below it, and so will be clear bearish reversal, and suggesting that market could drop more. Finally, on the weekly chart, so here we have also no patterns market returning back to the bottom of the flag pattern. Initially, it was seen that this was fake breakout and market returned back up. But as we said on the daily chart, this might be real downward continuation here as well. So on the weekly chart, we have nothing else. So that being said, currently we're watching mostly on the situation on the fall time frame chart with this major pattern in place, and it seems that on the hourly chart the bullish context has been broken. So now fall time frame picture becomes our primary set for Bitcoin in the nearest few sessions, maybe the week.